Disabling two-factor authentication on threads can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Open the Threads app. Launch the Threads application on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or icon. Look for the Settings option, usually represented by a Get icon or labeled as Settings. Step 3. Find Security Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Security or Privacy section. Tap on it to access your security options. Step 4. Manage two-factor authentication. Within the Security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Tap on it to view your current authentication methods. Step 5. Disable two-factor authentication. Select the option to disable or turn off two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to confirm your choice or enter your password for security purposes. After completing these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Threads account, making it easier to log in. Always ensure your account is secure through other means if you choose to disable this feature.